Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us enormously.
There is a link in the description to Kolee's original video.
So we are back with Kolee, on his way up to Peckham police station. He's asking if people are still interested if there is no confrontation. I think we all know people watch these videos for the confrontations. Do they? What do you think? The first guy that pulls up in the marked car is fairly jovial. A 40-second interaction, no issues.
Metropolitan Police, so I suppose we'll see what happens really. You right, fella?
Yeah.
No, I'm just filming, mate. Just matters of public interest. Matters of public interest.
Yeah. What's the reason?
Just people are interested in this sort of thing.
Cars going in and out of the police station.
You'll be surprised.
You alright, mate?
All good, yeah? Cheers, guys. He seemed alright.
There is a break here in the original video, so not sure how long the break was. Although Kolee often adds breaks to his videos, as obviously nothing is happening. This PC here next is great. Perfect body language. She's basically just saying, "Look, I don't care." But some of my colleagues are total mugs.
Excuse me? I am filming.
Because obviously don't film the cars going in and out.
Oh, okay.
They could be under the misconception of hostile reconnaissance.
Okay, no, I'm not actually doing hostile reconnaissance, to be fair.
So obviously, as I say, just filming cars and people coming in and out.
Is it not allowed?
It's frowned upon. I can't
Okay.
tell you it's
Oh, okay. Obviously, you are being quite polite, so.
But, like I'm saying, it could be misconstrued as something else.
Okay, alright.
So, what are you filming for?
Just matters of public interest.
Okay, but yeah, that's like avoid something going in and out that person.
I do understand, yeah.
So,
Of course.
yeah.
Thank you, miss. So again, an extremely polite police constable yet again. So far, Peckham are doing exceptionally well. It's odd to think Peckham and Brixton aren't really that different in terms of like geographically and whatnot. Yet the response we've had so far has been extremely positive. So again, Peckham police station, you're 2 for 2. If you keep this up, I'm going to be out of a job. But no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, anyway, we'll pick this back up in a little while.
These two are about to pounce. There is about to be a lot of bully boy chat, depending on where you're from.
Nothing in particular, I'm just filming. Just like matters of public interest. Just out of curiosity, are you allowed to park on double yellows?
Why are you filming cars going in and out?
Would you mind identifying yourself, please?
PC Price 229.
And yourself, sir?
This is Signal 2387.
Okay, thank you, guys.
Yeah? Alright.
Everything's
Why
alright.
are you filming outside the police station?
I've told you, matters of public interest.
Matters of public interest.
Yeah.
It's not a matter of public interest, is it? Outside?
Well, people are interested in it, so obviously it is.
Have you done that before?
I don't have to answer any questions. So are police vans allowed to park on double yellows or not?
Is Kolee trying to change the subject? Did you notice the look on their faces when he said he didn't need to answer questions? So what is it about police vehicles being seemingly allowed to contravene parking regulations? They can just park where they like?
Police, as far as I'm aware, the police have got an exemption for parking in the street.
I thought if it's like an emergency or something you could do that. I thought it was like an emergency you could do it.
Yes, there's obviously not enough room in there, so if police need to get out quick, we need to park here, we can't be parking really far away.
Okay, fair enough. Interesting.
So,
We done?
what's your name, mate?
Do I need to give my name? What's your
At the
name?
moment, because you're filming outside the police station.
Okay.
We'd like to just do some checks on
What
you.
crime do you suspect me of committing?
Because you are filming in front of a police station, we'd like to do some checks on you. Is this enough grounds to instigate a search under whatever power? Maybe checks that he is capable of using a camera?
But at the moment, it's a bit suspicious that you're filming outside.
Okay,
police
what are you
station in a
suspicious of?
van.
This is one of the best auditing lines ever.
Pen out, mate.
Anyone
No.
filming outside
Yeah,
the police
put
station
your pen back
puts
in your
a
pocket.
I'm
camera
going to ask
behind
you to
it.
leave then. Okay?
I'm on a public pavement, mate.
Yeah, but you're outside.
Am I free to go?
Yeah, you're free to go.
So am I not free to stay?
No, you're not free to stay.
Why not? What
Because you're
what offence have I
outside-
committed?
Because you're outside.
This is comedy. It's like the hokey cokey.
But mate, you're not
station.
letting me know what offence I've committed.
Sorry?
You haven't told me what offence you suspect me of committing.
It's a security issue at the end of the day.
Okay.
It's a security issue. So I'm going to ask you again politely.
And I'm going to
to
politely
leave.
I'm going to politely refuse.
You're going to politely refuse. Okay. Alright. I'm going to ask you again, what's your name?
I'm not going to tell you my name.
You're not going to tell me.
I haven't committed an offence. Why would I give over my personal information?
So he is quite happy that he moves on anonymously. But if he sticks around, they need his name. There's an abuse of something there. Surely.
Not because I've got something to hide.
Because this is a secure
Just my
place,
right.
you've got police officers going in and out, and if you're filming their cars.
Okay, well,
or
what do you
whatever
suspect me
going
of
in and
doing?
out, well, I don't know at the moment. It's a bit strange.
Well,
isn't it? If you're
suspicion-
filming police
suspicion
cars
is not a
going in
crime.
and out.
You suspecting me of doing something is not me committing a crime. So if we're done here, I'd like to continue filming. You don't seem too happy.
I'm not happy.
You're trying to stare me out.
I'm not trying to stay
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm
Yeah,
not.
you are.
I'm asking you politely again.
You won't intimidate me.
I'm not trying to intimidate
You have.
No, I'm not, am I?
Well, I feel intimidated, so maybe you are. Maybe it's working.
I feel you feel intimidated.
Yeah.
What? Because you're standing outside a police station filming officers going about their lawful business.
I'm going about my lawful business, sir. Just because I feel intimidated doesn't mean I have to leave. I bet you feel intimidated in duty doesn't mean you can leave your post.
No, that's true.
You've got a job to do, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. All right.
Okay, cool. So like I said, if we're done, then I'd like to continue filming. I hope you can appreciate where I'm coming from. I've been quite polite in that. I'm not trying to provoke you or anything like that.
You have been polite, and I
Thank
think
you.
me and my colleague been polite as well.
Kind of, but you have told me to disperse for no real reason.
As we said, it is a security issue. You're outside.
No, but I've got just as much right to be here as you. Like, I'm in public.
Cars going in and out.
Look, no one's disputing you being on a public footpath.
All right,
yeah?
all right.
But why? What the issue is? Why are you filming?
Matters of public interest, sir.
But what's the matter of public interest? Here, what matter of public interest?
People are interested in this kind of thing.
You're interested.
All right, are we done?
Are you going to be leaving?
No.
We can't leave you here filming.
Why not?
Because we can't, as we said, it's a
Well, why
security
not? You need to
issue.
give a
As we
reason.
said,
Because
it's
we
a
can't
security
isn't a
issue.
reason, is it?
I think she's seen him in action before. She looks more worried than anyone.
Listen to me.
All right, I'm listening.
I'm PC Seeger
Yes,
from
sir.
Peckham Police Station. We've been speaking for 5-10 minutes. Okay.
Can you mind just keeping the distance, please?
No.
So if you've been speaking to him for a number of minutes, why do you still have a suspicion that he is a threat?
Distance, please.
No.
If you need to do something, then do it.
Yeah,
but...
I am. Okay. You are now detained
All right,
under section.
all right. Would you mind explaining what's just gone on?
No, you've already been told. We don't need to do it on camera.
No, just for the viewers. Would you mind explaining what's just happened, please? Excuse me, sir.
Berkey, enjoy your day, man.
Just explain to you. Just your copy of your service record, yeah?
It's all been explained.
It's all been explained, so we're not going to go over it again. So was that a lawful
You need to
detention?
leave now, alright?
Do I need to leave?
Yeah.
Why do I need to leave? You might as well cuff me again. Why do I need to leave? Are we waiting for their approval? Yeah.
I'm not waiting for anyone.
Yeah, you are.
I've done my job.
You've done your job, yeah. You know I can sue you in a civil court.
You can.
I can.
I've done my job.
You think you've acted lawfully today?
I've
You've
done-
acted
I've
within
done.
your duty.
Yes, I've done.
Within your oath, yeah.
If you've got any
To-
issues,
to uphold
obviously
common
the
law.
Metropolitan Police.
Okay, sure.
Right, thank you.
Have a nice day. You're dismissed.
Well, what do you think? Did the PC do his job? Was Kolee on the wind-up again? Surely not. I'm not too sure about the end to this one, as the original footage was cut, just as the PC was about to say which section he was detaining him under. Under section... What do you think? Seems a strange place to have a cut. A link to the original video is in the description. Kolee later explains that he thinks they got him under section 43. So what did the search record show? Time's up again. Thanks for watching. See you next time. These slides deal with copyright. If you would like to read them, please pause the video.